Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the prediction of your 24th May 2025 IELTS exam. Yes, this prediction belongs to all your listening, reading, and writing exam. Please, all the students from IDP and British Council, please pay attention to watch this video till end if you are looking for the prediction for your real IELTS exam. Okay, so this prediction again belongs to listening, reading, and writing modules, and also look at my next video that is for the speaking recently happened in India and in Canada. So watch that the session, what type of questions they ask, and if you need the model answer on that questions, you can also send me the message in the comment section so that I can provide you that detail. Okay, now let's get started with the part one. So if you are new on this channel, my request is for each and every individual, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends who is looking for the free English speaking buddy partners. I'm here to help each and every individual to fluent in English, and if you are looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, then I'm here to help, and my team is also here to help you all. So please, this channel, our community serve for the free of cost teaching the students. But if you are looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, then you need to let them know. And also, if you are also looking yourself for the speaking English free speaking classes, then we are here to help you out with that. But again, only thing what we needed from you, that is you need to subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends who is preparing for the job interviews and who is preparing for their IELTS speaking exam. Now let's get started with the part one, Phillips. That is Phillips is this time it's going to be easy. Part 2 is multiple choice question answers or map. You can find this section also easy to moderate. As I always mention the moderate part, because I don't want the people start asking the question, what is that moderate means? Moderate means when you find some difficulty in your IELTS exam. Difficulty in order to, you can have that, okay, with vocabulary, in the with the accent, with fast tracks. So please prepare all these three things, make yourself ready for all these three things. Part 3, so part 3 is multiple choice question and match the information. Here you can see this part is going to be easy this time, so please match the information. Please again pay attention on that side, because sometimes you are saying that it will be easy, but sometimes it's not going to be that easy for you all. All right, part 5. So part 5 is Phillips. Phillips is going to be easy again this time. So please pay attention while preparing your IELTS exam. So before I will let you know about the overall prediction of this IELTS exam, or listening prediction for overall how this exam looks like. So please click on the subscribe button and also click on the like button and share this video with your friends who is looking for the free English speaking buddy partners. And also, if you are looking for the answer keys, then we are here to help you out for that too. All right, so now the overall level of this exam will be easy but fast. So be don't worry about that. If you are preparing in the centers, then ask your exam institutes or centers where you are right now to provide you all the fast tracks with different accents, like American, Australian, Canadian, or British accents. So these are the accents where you can have some confusion, where you can find some confusion also. And also clear your doubts whenever you find any difficulties. Okay, in that way you can prepare yourself in a good way. Okay, if you need my help, please write down in the comment section. I'm always here to help you out for that. But again, you need to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for paying attention on our request. Okay, reading. Let's go to the reading section. So passage 1 in reading, always you consider the true, false, not given, and sentence completion. Here it's going to be easy to moderate. Now passage 2, list of headings, which paragraph contains the following information, is going to be easy this time. Passage 3, yes, no, matching and summary completion, is going to be easy to moderate again. And overall, before letting you know about the overall prediction of this part, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please don't forget to share this channel with your friend, with your family, with your whoever you know that they are struggling hard for English speaking, because we are here to help each and every individual for the English speaking sessions. English speaking, we are conducting the free English speaking sessions. But again, you need to let us know in through the comment section if that is easier for you. If not, then you can also send me an email on getsuccess66 at the rate gmail.com. My team definitely they will reach out to you. Again, my response could be delay for 24 hours, or before that you can find the answer of your questions. The delay reason is because I'm in America, and America, we are living in the Pacific time zone, and it's always opposite from Indian time zone. So if you are sending me the message during the day, then we receive that definitely during night, middle of our night, and of course night is for us to sleep, right? And if I will respond you back during our day, and then you will definitely find the answer during your night. So in that way I can just, long story short, long the conclusion of this message is like you can find my response in a little bit delay, but again, but I will definitely reach out to you and get back to you from your questions. Whatever the query, you will send it to me in the section of your comments. Okay, so whatever comment, whatever you needed, then you need to write down in there. So now let's get see what the reading says. Overall level of the reading is moderate. So moderate means you need to practice hard, right? So moderate means you need to work on the dates, you need to work on the times, you need to work on the like fast tracks, and you also need to work on your accents, British accent, Canadian, and also Australian accent. US accent is also a little different from the Indian accent. So please don't forget to prepare yourself with all the different accents. So in that way you can find yourself in the easy spot. Okay. Now moving to the writing part. So if you are looking for the writing, so let's get started with the writing. But before that, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now task 1 is table, bar, line, map completion, comparison, and process combination. These all are the important types of your exam. But again, if you are looking for the very close prediction, then again, my suggestion is for each and every individual, please subscribe our channel and also write down in the comment section what the depth prediction on which part you needed. I will definitely make the video for you guys in my after my research and reaching out with all the senders who they are conducting the IELTS exam. All right, but again, I need your help to just let me know what you need. Okay, and you can reach out to me in two ways, in through the comment section. That is very easiest way. But if you are looking for your privacy, then you can send me an email through, you can give me your email ID, so in that way we will definitely get back to you. Okay, so I know that now privacy is the main concern, so but again, we are always here to help the students whatever they needed. Okay, now task 2 is always both same for the both side. So here the important topics you need to learn and prepare: health, language, crime, punishment, happiness, social media, work, family, reading, education, technology, and children's. So these all are the important, and AI is also one of the important topic now in these days. You need to work hard to prepare yourself for that. And also essay type, if now you are looking for the essay type, so essay type is agree, disagree, advantage, disadvantage, and also opinion, discussion, so positive and negative development. So these all are the important type of your essays which you are looking for on your 24th May IELTS exam. If you need my help, then I'm here to help you out. But again, I need to know what help you needed. So in that way, you need to write me down in the comment section what help you needed. And also, please click on the like button if you like this video. This is all our efforts and this is free of cost. And we are also running our institution here in America for IELTS tutoring. That is for free English lectures and free English speaking course, and provided them a free English speaking buddy partners where they can learn, where they can get more freedom. But again, my plan, my goal is also to open another my franchise in India. But again, I need your support there. If you like this channel, if you get benefited from this channel, I need you to just like and subscribe. That way we can grow our community in India also. And I will definitely open my another institute in India so that you guys can have free education, not like to paying thousands and thousands of rupees to get the training from the institution where right now you are going. So I will give that free because I'm here paying the free. I'm also delivering and coach the team freely, teach them free. My team is also ready to go and spend time there in India. That will be also free of cost. So in that way, I need your help. If you like this video, if you like this channel, then please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. That's all what I needed from you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm here to help. Write down in the comment section. I will help you out with that. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.